Recovered a GL2 plotter file from a CAD archive and need to view the drawing? This is HP GL2, the standard plotter format from HP. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these HP Graphics Language Plotter documents. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective GL2 file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. GL2 Files are plotter documents using HP Graphics Language 2, HP GL2, a standard developed by Hewlett-Packard for instructing pen plotters and large format printers. They store vector drawing commands including line drawing arcs, polygons, text, and pen control instructions for accurate technical drawing reproduction. GL2 Files use a text-based command format with two-character command mnemonics, such as PA for plot, absolute PD for pen down, and PU for pen up, followed by parameters. The format describes vector drawings as sequences of plotter commands enabling precise reproduction on HP GL2 compatible output devices. This GL2 file is handled by the industry standard tool XNView MP from XNsoft. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows presents limited detail, so scalable artwork must be handled in dedicated editors. Your initial diagnostic move: right-click the GL2 file and choose Open With. If XNView MP is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Remember that different software supports different GL2 variants. If you still can't open the GL2 file, it's okay. The nature of the GL2 format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, viewing in CAD Software. Open the GL2 file in AutoCAD, which natively supports HP GL2 import. Use File then Import or Insert, and select the GL2 file. AutoCAD parses the plotter commands, recreating the drawing as CAD entities for viewing, editing, and printing in the standard CAD environment. Next, using GL2 Viewers. Try View Companion or HPGL Viewer applications specifically designed for viewing plotter formats. These tools render HPGL2 commands directly providing accurate display of plotter drawings without requiring full CAD software installation, enabling quick review and printing of GL2 documents. Finally, converting to PDF or DXF. Use AutoCAD or View Companion to convert GL2 to PDF for sharing, or DXF for editing in any KDE application. These standard formats ensure broad compatibility across modern engineering and document management workflows, preserving the vector drawing content beyond the legacy HP GL2 plotter format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.